Attention, attention to all students of our grade school in grade 6, both boys and girls, offering mathematics in bilingual. Good morning to you all, and I hope you are safe in your various homes. I'm your regular teacher teaching you mathematics, and my name is Teacher Jeremiah Ni Ankra. This morning I'm going to introduce to you another lesson through electronic transmission model, which is being initiated by the board chairman of our grade school, Mr. Yunus Arabi, in order to facilitate your learning process and to bring your studies to you right in your various homes. Once again, welcome to another lesson which I titled Area or Perimeter and Area. And I believe all of you are seated, and all of you are seated with your notebooks and pens ready for this lesson. Our learning objective this morning is to define and calculate the perimeter and area. What do you already know? To find the perimeter, we have to use two formulas, and I'm going to introduce you to these two formulas one after the other. The first formula says perimeter is equals to 2 multiply the length plus 2 multiply the width. And the second formula says perimeter is equals to length plus width plus length plus width. So I'm going to use both the first formula and the second formula to solve the example on the screen. So in using the first formula, the perimeter is equals to 2 multiply the 8, which is 16, plus 2 multiply 4, which is 8. So 16 plus 8, the answer is 24. So the perimeter is equals to 24 meters. Now, in using the second formula, the perimeter is equals to 8 plus 4. And 8 plus 4, the answer is 12. And then 8 plus 4 again, the answer is 12. So the perimeter is equals to 12 plus 12, and perimeter is equals to 24 meters. So both the first formula and the second formula gave us an answer of 24 meters. Then the second example on the screen shows a rectangular playing field which measures 10 meters by 5 meters. In using the first formula, perimeter is equals to 2 times 10, and the answer is 20. 2 times 5, the answer is 10. So 20 plus 10, the perimeter is equals to 30 meters. In using the second formula, the perimeter is equals to 10 plus 5, which is 15, then 10 plus 5, which is 15. So 15 plus 15, the perimeter is equals to 30 meters. So both the first formula and the second formula gave us an answer of 30 meters. Then on the screen, which is our third example, shows a British flag which measures what? 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters. In using the first formula, the perimeter is equals to 2 times 12, which is 24, plus 2 times 5, which is 10. So 24 plus 10, the perimeter is equals to 34 centimeters. In using the second formula, the perimeter is equals to 12 plus 5, which is 17 centimeters. Then plus 12 plus 5, which is also 17 centimeters. So perimeter is equal to 17 centimeters plus 17 centimeters. Perimeter is equals to 34 centimeters. So both the first formula and the second formula gave us an answer of 34 centimeters. On this screen shows another example, and on this screen it shows a TV set which measures 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So in using the first formula, our perimeter is equals to 2 multiply 15, which is 30, plus 2 multiply 10, which is 20. So 30 plus 20, the perimeter is equals to 50 centimeters. In using the second formula, perimeter is equals to 15 plus 10, which is 25. Then again 15 plus 10, which is also 25. So 25 plus 25, the perimeter is equals to 50 centimeters. So both the first formula and the second formula gave us an answer of 50 centimeters. Fellow students, please take your notebook and pens and solve this question that you see on the screen. A TV set measures 3 meters by 1 meter. B, a square with a side of 9 centimeters. And C, a square with a side of 5 centimeters. Let's see if your answers are correct. A, those of you that will be using the first formula, the perimeter is equal to 2 times 3, which is 6, plus 2 times 1, which is 2. So 6 plus 2, the perimeter is equal to 8 meters. And those of you that will be using the second formula, the perimeter is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4. Then again 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 4 plus 4, the perimeter is equal to 8. So those of you that will be using the first formula, it will give you an answer of 8 meters. And those of you that will be using the second formula, it will also give you an answer of 8 meters. Then the B, those of you that will be using the first formula, the perimeter is equal to 2 times 9, which is 18, plus 2 times 9, which is 18. So 18 plus 18, the perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters. And those of you that will be using the second formula, the perimeter is equal to 9 plus 9, which is 18, plus 9 plus 9, which is 18. So 18 plus 18, the perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters. And C, those of you that will be using the first formula, the perimeter is equal to 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 2 times 5, which is 10. So 10 plus 10, the perimeter is equal to 20 centimeters. And those of you that will be using the second formula, the perimeter is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. And the perimeter is equal to 20 centimeters. Once again, please take your notebook and pens and solve this question that you see on the screen. A square with size 1 centimeters, a rectangle with size 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Those of you that you be using the first formula, the perimeter is equal to 2 multiply 1, and the answer is 2. Plus 2 multiply 1, the answer is 2. So 2 plus 2, the perimeter is equal to 4 centimeters. And those of you that you be using the second formula, the perimeter is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and the perimeter is equal to 4 centimeters. Those of you that are using the first formula, the perimeter is, for the second one, the perimeter is equal to 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 2 times 4, which is 8. So 4 plus 8, the perimeter is equal to 12 centimeters. And those of you that will be using the second formula to answer the second question, the perimeter is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So the perimeter is equal to 12 centimeters. Now we have come to an area where you are asked to find what? The area of a rectangular playing field. And on this screen, it shows a rectangular playing field which measures 8 meters by what? 4 meters. To calculate area, it has a formula, and the formula says area is equal to what? The length multiply what? The width. The length being the longest side and the width being what? The shortest side. So in this example that we have on your screen, the area is equal to 8 meters multiply 4 meters, and area is equal to 32 meters squared. How did we get the meter squared? Meter multiply meter, it will give us what? Meter to the power of 2, or meter squared. So the area is equal to 32 meters squared. And the SI unit of area is in square unit. Square unit. Square unit. The second example to find the area shows a rectangular playing field which also measures 10 meters by 5 meters. So the area is equal to 10 meters multiply 5 meters, and area is equal to 50 meters squared. The third example shows a British flag which measures 12 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So area is equal to 12 centimeters multiply 5 centimeters, and area is equal to 60 centimeters squared. On this screen shows a TV set which measures 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So to calculate the area is equal to 15 centimeters multiply 10 centimeters, and area is equal to 150 centimeters squared. My fellow students, please take your notebook and pens and answer the question that you see on the screen. A TV set measures 3 meters by 1 meter. B, a square with a side of 9 centimeters. And C, a square with a side 5 centimeters. Now let's see if your answers are right. For A, those of you that you'll be using for A, the area is equals to 3 meters multiply 1 meters, and area is equals to 3 meters squared. B, area is equals to 9 times 9, and area is equals to 81 centimeters squared. C, area is equals to 5 centimeters multiply 5 centimeters, and area is equals to 25 centimeters squared. On this screen shows another question for you to answer. A square with a side 1 centimeter, a rectangle with side 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So A, area is equals to 1 multiply 1, and area is equals to 1 centimeter squared. The second question, the area is equals to 2 multiply 4, and area is equals to 8 centimeters squared. On these screens, you are being asked to find the perimeter of these shapes. And these shapes are not drawn to scale. The first one shows a hexagon with showing 6 sides. So to find the perimeter, you have to add all the figures that you see around what? The hexagon. So the perimeter is equals to what? 18 centimeters. And how do we arrive at the 18 centimeters? It will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and perimeter is equals to 18 centimeters. The second one shows a quadrilateral with having 4 sides. So to calculate the perimeter, it will be 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 3, and the perimeter is equals to 22 centimeters. The third one shows a star. So to find the perimeter, it will be 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4, and perimeter is equals to 28 centimeters. This is a challenging one. Please take your pens and your notebooks and then write them down, and then when we meet in our next lesson, we are going to answer them. Once again, have a wonderful day. May God bless you all. Thank you.